Hello and welcome. If you have a bathroom that has a bad smell in it, I know ours does every now and then, you should be doing this monthly. We're here at the bathroom sink drain where we brush our teeth and all that. You can see this kind of bacteria sludge that builds on the inside of the drain. That's where the smell is coming from, and this is what I do. Like I said, maybe monthly. It's probably been a few months now. But I like to use the toilet bowl cleaner actually. It has a nice smell to it and it does a good job. So what I do is try and get the cap off first. And then I just put a little bit around. And then what I'll do is use an old toothbrush. Always save your old toothbrushes. You never know when they're going to come in handy. And just basically scrub the inside. And get all that stuff, we'll call it, off the pipe walls of the drain. This really doesn't take a lot of effort either. And it's typically where the bad smell is coming from. And you can see it's just a bacteria buildup. So here we'll run some water through it now. You can see it has a slight backup to it, and it's more than likely just because I just put all that stuff in the bottom of the P-trap. But we can flush that out later. You can see it's starting to drain a little bit better now. I'll clean the plug with my bare hand. Some people will tell me that's gross, and I understand. But it is what it is. So now I'll take a shot here of the actual drain now that it's clean and much better. Thanks. Follow for more.